Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Garaj Bhawan Shillong ha ka khat pratrik nai weng araja arpsan kalarkhi ka jingdap san snem ka nasha muk bharat abhiyan da ka jinge trelang bagatna social welfare ka sarkar Meghalaya ha bakran ha kani ka jingalang kumu kongsan ula CH Vijay Shankar ula Kyntu badayan pelong ya ki jing Pyrshah ba ki jing pusku thu ha ki school ki college par ha ki shnong ki thau banyada ya ki samla no Drok na ka jinge bit ya ka jing pang HIV AIDS ka jing pang TB ka jing pang cancer bat khamtam ka jing Shongkha Khynnah kumban chupentip hangni baka jing pelong ya nasha muk bharat abhiyan kalalong ka job hak shejar khandai spa art phulai tali ki slam puli hak jala Meghalaya hakani ka jingalang lai shimentalang du advisor jong katana social welfare uba polling do ki he officer bat ki wei
Youth is the energy of any nation, and the power of youth has an important contribution in the development of society and country. Therefore, it is very important that maximum number of youth join the drug-free India campaign, accepting this challenge of the country. Today, we unite under the Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan and take a pledge that not only the community, family, friends, but also ourselves will be drug-free, because change should begin with ourselves. So let us all together take a firm decision to make our state Meghalaya drug-free. I pledge that I will do everything possible to the best of my ability to make my country drug-free. Thanks to all of you. Be seated. After I took oath as a governor of Meghalaya, I had gone to meet Mahamahim Rashtrapati ji, Draupadi Murmu ji. By that time, Honorable President of the nation, they told me, you see, Mr. Vijay Shankar, now you are going to such a state. वो लोग पेड़ को भगवान मानते हैं, वो लोग पेड़ को भगवान मानते हैं. Then I extended my invitation to the Honorable President of the nation. Again you come to the state of Meghalaya. Then the Honorable President of the nation told me, definitely I come, not to sit in Rajbhavan. मुझे अच्छी तरह घूमना है, पूरा मेघालय घूमना है. स्वर्ग से बढ़िया है वो भूमि धरती, बहुत सुंदर धरती है, इसलिए मैं घूमने आती हूँ. सेकेंड थिंग, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स इन मेघालय, they are excellent. I have to talk to them, I have to meet to them, so that definitely I come. This is the opinion of the highest authority of India. I meet some of the senior most cabinet of rank of minister. Few months back, he told me the people of Meghalaya, they never harm anybody. People of Meghalaya, they never harm anybody. They never cheat anybody. They never lie. They never lie. You are governor in such a state. You are very lucky to be there as a governor. They are very good human beings, according to me. The people of Meghalaya, they are very good human beings. Serve them very sincerely. This is what some of the senior most cabinet rank minister in the Union government, they told me, this is the opinion of the highest authority in the center. We are also responsible up to some extent. It is our duty to safeguard our coming generation. I told 5 big challenges before we people. What are those challenges? One is drugs. The other one is HIV or AIDS. This is another big challenge. And third one is TB. And fourth one is cancer. Some of them, they suffer out of cancer and HIV both. Sometimes after meeting I wept also by seeing such patients. And third one, I tell you, teenage pregnancy. Just 20 years, 13 years, 14 years. A girl she is going to be a mother. She herself is a baby. How she is going to take care of another baby? These are the 5 issues I have been told to our social welfare department. Try to make a video for half an hour video and just a handbill. What are the repercussions of HIV? Why we suffer out of cancer? Why we suffer out of TB? And rest of the other issues, whatever I have mentioned here. These are the 5 social evils, big challenges. Those challenges are there in front of we people. We have to overcome. So mass campaign is necessary. School level, college level, church level, community leaders level. In this campaign we have to start. Mass campaign. Mass awareness. If at all you are going to unite me, in any of the villages when you are going to conduct this kind of programs, I am also ready to come and participate in such programs. Mass campaign, mass awareness campaign to save our own children. It is very, very important. You have to think in those angles.
We started off this program by lighting up the lamp. And to me, it symbolizes the fact that it is always more blessed to light a spark, however small, than to curse the darkness. We may not have the power of the Almighty to light up the skies, to bring something as brilliant as sunlight or the moon or the stars. But in our best capacity, if we are able to light the lamp, we would have done our duty. I recall reading about 2 brothers who were taking a walk by the beach, and it was towards sunset. The water level has receded. When the water level recedes, they noticed that a number of starfish who were earlier covered by water were now exposed to the dry ground and could die any moment. The younger brother kept picking up these fish and threw them back into the ocean. The elder brother asked him, "What's the point? There are thousands of these starfish. Can you save all of them?" The younger brother took a handful, 5, 10 more fish. "Yes, I can make a difference. I could save these other 10 fish. I might not be able to save all the fish throughout the shore, but if I have saved 10, I would have done my duty." I think that basically encapsulates the spirit of today's celebration of the 5 years of the Nasha Mukh Bharat Abhiyan. The fact that we all are here, not just as an audience listening to speeches and songs, but that we are proactively involved in the fight to ensure Amelia free from the scourge of addiction and substance abuse.